Drawings are how architects communicate their ideas. Just like a writer has to master a language, an architect needs to have their representation skills well developed to precisely translate an idea to pen and paper, or in today's world, to digital mediums. How we present a project has possibly become just as important as the project itself. And as architects, our world has getting highly competitive. So only by presenting our ideas in a careful and meaningful way, we'll be able to stand out from the crowd and give the observer a glimpse of what's inside our minds and what we have been envisioning. I know that we can learn new things all over the internet with new courses, tutorials, and videos, and that's what I do here. I try to teach everything I can, but I often see the practice part being forgotten. You can get the theory part solved of the necessary steps to achieve a particular result, but then you will only test that in a real life situation where there's a pressure of a client, a boss, grades, and that will usually only lead to frustration, as we need to practice and experiment with any new acquired knowledge before we can master it and feel confident while using it. That's why I've partnered up with the people from Arquitecturo, that competition that I mentioned here on the channel a couple of months ago, to create representation competitions. So based upon everything that I just mentioned, Project Unbuilt was founded. Our goal is to create quick and accessible challenges that allow you to practice and explore new skills. We're trying to bridge that gap in the self-learning process. So this video is the official launch of Project Unbuilt's first competition, A Building's Essence. Visualization, a skill that's so intrinsic in an architect's daily task that this just had to be the first theme. So we took care of the design part by picking 3 exemplar/iconic buildings so that you can fully focus on visualizing it. I'm gonna briefly mention the challenge here, but all the links will be in the video description as always if you wanna know more about it. But basically your task is gonna be to learn about the 3 buildings and choose one of them to visualize. As the name of the competition says, you need to show the building's essence. It's up to you to choose how you're gonna frame the building and what characteristics you're gonna emphasize. You will have to deliver a single perspective image, and you can choose what software you're gonna use and what style you're gonna go for. It's not about mastering a program, as I always say here on the channel, but rather understanding and practicing the core elements of a great image and drawing. So we have 3 amazing jurors for this challenge: Steven Rubio, creator of Show Me Better, the one and only Alex Hagerfree from Visualizing Architecture, and Carolina Guida, an award-winning architect that produces high-quality visuals. You can learn more about them in the video description. So our goal is to make these competitions quick and dynamic, meaning that they will happen for a month only, so that you can create that habit of practicing and exchanging knowledge with the community. Also, I mentioned accessible because we tried to make the fee as low as we could and offer the possibilities to get various discounts, especially for students. And it couldn't be completely free, well, because people usually don't commit the same way as if they had paid. And also, we want to give prizes, some pretty cool ones. Now I know that I've been away from the channel this past month, but that's because I've been working on this new course and also on this new competition platform, which in some sense will be part of the Upstairs platform. So if you like the stuff that we create here, I'm pretty sure you're gonna like the new competitions from Project Unbuilt. And obviously we're looking to improve and refine this and upcoming competitions to really curate them to be a safe place to explore this world of representation. And our goal is to also create a gallery, an inspiration gallery, if you will, so that you can check out how other competitors represented the chosen designs. So we're gonna make these competitions in different scales, from urban design to interior and detailing, building. We're gonna try to cover it all. So it's gonna be from using iconic/exemplar projects to designing small scale buildings. The competitions are not meant to be extensive, where you need to design large scale buildings and give months of work to finish. We're aiming to make it fast paced and short. So I'm looking forward to seeing your results. And then I was thinking here, maybe we can bring the winner into a video to share his or her inside secrets on how the image was created. I don't know, what do you think? After all, we all want to make this community stronger, right? So let's learn from each other. Alright, so if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, drop them below. We can continue this conversation there. And I don't know if you noticed, but I'm on a new studio. I moved into this new apartment this past week, and then I've got a spare room to make this studio this place that I can fully work on now instead of sharing with my bedroom. Would you be interested in some sort of studio tour? I'm still building stuff here, but let me know in the comments below. Alright, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!